just like today's weather, things are heating up at Lakeland College.
Newswatch's Alex Sitman takes a look at a new competition that drew students from around the area earlier today.
Sparks are flying at Lakeland College. 58 juniors and seniors from 14 different high schools came to campus Thursday to compete in Lakeland's first ever welding competition. Some students, such as Mattoon Jr. Landon Miller, have been welding for years.
Well, in 8th grade, all my friends thought it'd make us cooler if we were to get into welding class, and ever since then I really like it. It's just really easy for me.
And junior Jace Martin believes that this experience is important for him and other young welders.
Welding in a classroom is one thing, but then when you get out here into the competition, you're welding against other people. There's more stakes on the line. You get a little nervous, you get a little shaky, and that's how it's going to be in the real world. So I feel like it's just good to put your skills up against other welders.
Program coordinator for Lakeland College's welding department, James Crowder, believes this competition is important for the participating students.
We need to get our youth interested in the trades again. There is a huge shortcoming of skilled trade labor across the United States, and this is a way to get them involved and to get them interested in the skilled trades again.
Along with the students, multiple employers were there, looking for people interested in welding jobs.
It gets them excited about the welding careers, the welding programs that different vocational schools offer, and it just gets it in the forefront of their mind that there is more to work than just the white-collar jobs that are out there.
In Mattoon, I'm Alex Sitman for WEIU Newswatch.
And we've just received the results of today's competition. You can see all those results on your screen, but the first place junior is Landon Miller from Mattoon, and the first place senior is Brayton Nickel from South Vermilion.